got this Feosky Ink Pad. I got on Amazon. I'll link it below. As you can see, I've been practicing and playing with it and kind of just seeing how it does. This is a large ink plate. You can see compared to my hand the size. I wanted one that was ample size, so if I had bigger stamps to work with, then I'd be able to do it without a problem. Nope, did that one upside down. But as you can see, the ink transfers quite nicely. And I'm really happy with the size of it, and then also just how well it works. So yeah, if you're looking for an ink pad, especially ones larger, they even have a bigger size than this, believe it or not. They have one that's like document size. Yeah, Feosky. They seem to have a pretty good brand. And I do like that there's a little lip on the front to help open the container, make it really easy. The ink isn't so abundant that it's dripping out, making a mess. It's nicely in the pad. So, would highly recommend. And when this runs out, I'm going to look for their refill ink cartridges to refill up the pad. So, yay! If you've used this before, let me know what you thought of their ink pad. And yeah, thanks for watching this review. I would give this a solid 5 out of 5.